So we are removing these items from the iPhone box, which reduces carbon emissions and avoids the mining and use of precious materials. Removing these items also means a smaller, lighter iPhone box.
10 seconds later. Several months later.
With your preferences and the planet in mind, we are proposing a way to prevent these unused items from piling up in your drawers. Your S21 device will come with a USB-C cable that's compatible with many of your other devices. And our chargers will remain available for anyone who wants one at the new, lower price.
But why? Why would you do that? Why would you